what is so cool about a Zippo lighter.
On January 18th, the Oswayo Valley What's So Cool About Manufacturing team visited Zippo, a lighter manufacturer in Bradford, PA. It was our first time visiting the world of manufacturing, and we were so amazed by what we discovered. In fact, we'd like to share some of the cool aspects about Zippo with you.
The first cool thing about Zippo manufacturing is it utilizes robotics, specialized workers, and ingenuity to create a successful workflow. As you can see here, we have a hinge press creating the top and bottom pieces of the Zippo case. In many instances, machinery is used to perform the repetitive jobs so that the workers can complete the skilled and personalized parts. This is the first thing that we found truly amazing and cool.
Zippo's iconic design, or the anatomy of their lighter as they call it, is pretty cool because it has really not been changed in over 90 years. This is largely due to the company's motto.
This was the motto that we still live by today, that was from our founder, Mr. Blaisdell. Simply said, build your product with integrity, but stand behind it 100% and success will follow.
Zippo also offers several really cool decoration processes such as laser engraving, deep carve, 540 color image, and powder coating spray. This allows the consumers to customize their lighters by adding their personal touch.
For a CO2 laser, we have two different types. These are CO2s actually behind me.
Lights, camera, action. Zippo has made its debut in some of Hollywood's finest productions. In fact, Zippo lighters have been in over 2,000 films, like Marvel movies, Charlie's Angels, and Die Hard. You can certainly say Zippo lighters have achieved celebrity status.
Finally, Zippo is working on creating an environmentally friendly solid fire starter, which is clean ethanol burning. This product removes the risk of spillage of flammable liquids, and believe it or not, you can cook over it.
We have a feeling that Zippo is going to be around for a long, long time because it is innovative, creative, and best of all, it's in our own backyard. That is what's so cool about Zippo manufacturing.